What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to explain to you why it is so important to position yourself the right way on social media, specifically when you're trying to sell something through your social media. You see, if you are a short form agency owner and you're not posting short form videos, you're not even talking about short form videos, or your bio is, oh, I love my life, I'm from Amsterdam, blah blah blah, people don't care. And people don't know who you are. If you do outreach to people and they click on your profile and they don't see anything that you're trying to sell them, it's hard for them to buy from you. So you want to be very clear when you're positioning yourself, what you do, what your expertise is, and how you make money and how you help people. You want to show them the value that you can provide. Besides that, positioning is a very helpful way to get people further down the funnel. Let's say you have a link in your bio and you can subscribe to the email list that you have. People will go to your link in bio, subscribe to the email list, and then from the email list you can take them to the next step of your funnel. All these little things matter so much when you try to sell something through social media. But let's dive deeper into how other people position themselves on social media. Let's take Gary Vee for example. If we go to Gary Vee's bio, we can see a few things very clearly. The first thing that we see is he's a CEO and a chairman of 2 different companies. The second thing is he is a creator, which most of you guys probably already know because he has 10.1 million followers. And then another thing that we see that he's a big investor in Facebook, Venmo, Twitter, and a few other things. And then at the end of the bio, you can clearly see he says, join my broadcast channel. This is a call to action for the people who visit his profile and to get them further down the funnel that he has. So for you, it might be something like, if you want to book a call with me, click the link down below and schedule a call, a Calendly link. Or you could do something like, I send motivational emails daily, subscribe to the email list, it's free. Those are different ways to get people further down the funnel, and it's just great positioning. Besides that, when we check his profile, all his short form videos and all his content is around the same thing. It's all business related, social media related, the things that he is an expert in. So if you're a short form agency owner, you want to post videos about you being a short form agency owner, and you want to post videos about the results that you got with your clients and the stuff that you know. Because this way you can position yourself as an expert within the market that you're currently in. And that should be your goal. Because if you're an expert in the market that you're in, you'll probably get more clients too. Let's do another example. We have Grant Cardone. In his bio, he says, I'm a private equity fund manager and real estate investor. He says 4.5 billion AUM, Cardone Capital, 10x Health, Cardone U, and then a link to his website. This is a great way. He just basically says who he is, what he does, and what he accomplished. And specifically the what he accomplished part is very important here. Because let's say, for example, again, you're a short form agency owner and you manage to get 50 million views organically, you might want to tell people in your bio. Because if you DM them and say, hey, I'm a short form agency owner, I can get your results, and they're like, oh, I don't even think you can, and then they go to your profile and then they see you did 10 million views organically on one account, then they're like, oh shit, this guy actually knows what he's talking about. So showing off results isn't a bad thing. You should actually utilize the results you've gotten in order to get more clients. Now let's take a look at the highlights. You can see it's all the same yellow, the same nice color, and it's just branding again. It's branding, showing that you're an expert, showing you got your things well sorted, showing that who you are is an amazing person and an expert within the field that you're in. And this is important because the first look on his account, I can see like, oh, this guy knows what he's doing. He's a professional. And that's what you want to achieve with your profile as well. So besides that, again, all the short form videos again are about making money, real estate, the stuff that he's an expert in. And so should you. Create videos around the stuff that you're an expert in, show results, talk about it, edit the videos yourself, show what you can do, and people will start coming towards you and wanting to buy from you. Let's move on to how are you currently perceived within the market that you're in. You probably don't have a bio, you have no highlights, you're not posting on social media, so people don't even know what you're doing and who you are. Yet you're trying to get a client in the DMs, you're sending 500 DMs every day with no results. And that's because you don't post on social media and you don't position yourself as an expert. I've been saying this over and over again in this video, but it's so important to come off as an expert because closing clients will be so easy. So if you post videos online, make sure they're high quality because it shows like, I'm an expert, I'm professional. If you make a bio or you have a link in your bio, make sure the link in your bio looks professional as well. Because if something looks crappy or something looks shitty, then people are most likely not going to buy from you because they don't think you're professional, they don't think you're an expert. So keep that in mind. Let's create a bio for someone who has a short form agency, for example. The first thing you want to do is, people don't care about I run a short form agency. They don't care about what you do. They care about what you can do for them. So a great bio could be, I help coaches scale their offer with short form content. And then the next thing can be generated over 50 million views organically. And then the third thing can be, if you're interested in learning more, click the link down below to book a call. This way you tell them how you can help them achieve their goal. The second thing is you show them that you actually can get results with the 50 million views. And then the third thing is a call to action. You actually tell them to do something, take action, because a lot of people being on social media, they don't think, they just do. And whenever you tell them to do something, they most likely will do it too. So don't forget a call to action in your bio, because it will increase leads and sales for your business. And also you might want to check your pictures and your videos on your account, like do these things actually align with what you're doing and with your offer? Because if you are a short form agency owner again, you don't want to post videos about, oh, this is the best book to read, or oh, this is how I learned how to play field hockey. You need to stay away from the random things and start seeing your social media as a resume. Show them what you can do, show people the results you can get, because that's how they eventually buy from you. And most importantly, the better your positioning, the more money you will make. And we can divide this into 4 different levels. The first level is a generalist, somebody who knows kind of what he's doing. He knows how to edit a few videos, but he's not really doing great within the market. He's not the best within the market. And then the second level, we have the specialist. So the specialist knows a thing or two about the agency world, short form. He's gotten a few results, but he doesn't really know how to put it all together within his profile. And then the third level would be an authority. These are the people you might want to watch out for, you might want to look up to, because they usually know what they're doing and they're making way more money than the other guys. So once you find somebody within your space that's doing very well, and just look at their positioning. What videos are they posting? What does their bio look like? What does their profile picture look like? Do they have a link in their bio? Find out what they do and copy it. You don't have to reinvent the wheel, you just have to figure out what's working and do exactly that. And then we have one more level. It's a little bit different, but you can get there if you want to by posting enough on social media, or maybe when you're a singer or an actor, celebrities. And for celebrities, it's very easy to sell their offer because they're famous, they have a big audience, and it's just easier. People already like them for who they are mostly, but that's like the top level. It's the easiest for them to sell, and sometimes you are already a celebrity and sometimes you can become a celebrity. Let's take Gary Vee for example. He had 0 followers, but he started posting on social media, and now he has over 10 million followers. In my eyes, Gary Vee is a celebrity, and it's very easy for him to sell his offer. Let's finish off the video with one more thing. If you do positioning right, you will attract more clients. If you do positioning wrong, you will attract less clients. So make sure you do it right. Become very clear on what your niche is, what your offer is, and how you are going to position yourself within that market. If you do things right, it's easy to get clients, as long as you do enough outreach, ads, and if you deliver on your clients, they will probably refer you as well. So make sure you do positioning right. You don't want to be perceived as someone you're not. So how do you do this? How are you going to make sure you do this right? Well, ask yourself, what is my identity? Who am I? So if you're a short form agency owner, you want to identify as a short form agency owner. So you're going to post videos about a short form agency owner. You're going to post videos about editing styles, how to get results on social media, and the bio should also be aligned with your identity. Other than that, there's not much to do it wrong, as long as you are very clear on what you're selling and what your market is. So if you're clear on those 2 things, just look what other people are doing, copy it, and then yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope you liked it and it was valuable. That's basically my only goal with these videos. I just want to teach you something about social media, and I want to teach you the stuff that I learned over the past 2.5 years of working on social media accounts and building personal brands online. If you liked the video, make sure to like and leave a comment of what you want to see next. I would love to answer some questions and get some more engagement in the comment sections. That being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.